This is The Sound of Pursuit. I'm Hal Humphreys. We are here in the void, that week between Christmas and New Year's where not much happens. Kids are out of school, our offices are thin on people, thousands are still trying to navigate that train wreck that is Southwest Airlines to get back home after visiting family across the country. This is the void, that dead week. Just perfect for a bit of introspection and self-study. This has been a weird year. 2022 has fast drawn to a close, and it's time once again to do a bit of soul searching and see what, if anything, this year has taught me. Much like in years past, I've taken in some of the wisdom and I've missed a lot of it. The things that keep popping up in my life, like yoga and meditation, unplugging and such, have continued to be instructive and useful. My sister has opened a yoga studio in my hometown. My hometown is not the kind of place one might expect to find a yoga studio. But here we are, 2022. Introspection, open-mindedness, awareness continue to leach into the backwaters of rural America, in spite of social media and algorithmic tribal separations into little bubbles of confirmation bias. Here are a few of the lessons I managed to absorb in 2022. I have so much more to learn in so many ways. But here are some of the things I learned. I need less stuff. I love my friends. I love a good story. I'm happiest when I'm walking. I'm almost as happy practicing yoga as when I'm walking. A daily yoga practice is totally doable. If I can do yoga every damn day, anyone can. I don't really like hashtags. 20 minutes of mindfulness does wonders for my brain. My brain still tends to spin sometimes. I do not need pundits at all, of any variety. Good, solid, old-school reporting makes us better as a society. We have to protect and support the Fourth Estate. Without a free press, the algorithms will continue to separate us into confirmation bias bubbles of anger, distrust, and, well, absolute idiocy. We must vote. I cannot abide self-righteousness. It is possible to ignore people who sell snake oil, sow division, and stir the pot with false narratives. Probably need less social media and search engine bias affirmation, but it's possible. I work with and for some of the absolute best people I know. I still love a good bottle of wine, or two, or three. I really love a solid cocktail. Most people mean well. Good portions of the human population are just lovely, given the chance. I would rather cook a meal at home than almost anything else. I can survive quite nicely on one good meal a day. Business Hal is not personal. Some people are just mean. Some people are just batshit crazy. Some people collect grievances. Some people hold grudges. I am out of patience for people who collect grievances and hold grudges. I have grown weary of batshit crazy. I cannot abide, nor will I put up with meanness. I can be thoughtful, and I can be thoughtless. I strive for the former. I'm Hal Humphreys, and that is the sound of pursuit.